Want to cut your painting time in half? Here are 7 tricks professional artists use to work faster. Always sketch your composition first. A 2-minute sketch can save you hours of corrections later. Mix enough paint before you begin. Matching the same color later can be difficult and time consuming. Block in the large shapes first. Don't worry about tiny details until the overall composition is complete. Use the biggest brush that fits the job. Large brushes cover areas faster and create smoother, more confident strokes. Organize your paints, brushes, palette, and water before you start. A tidy workspace keeps your creativity flowing. Step back every few minutes. You'll catch mistakes early instead of fixing them after the paint dries. Know when to stop. Overworking a painting often wastes time and can reduce the freshness of your artwork. Painting faster isn't about rushing, it's about using smarter techniques. Which trick will you try first? Let us know in the comments.